that Bitcoin is continuing to go even lower and lower. And what we are going to do today is basically to look at the support levels, which we might have even lower than we are right now. So very simply, yesterday I've made a video and I showed you a few interesting things. I have a few channels right here. So one of them is this big channel. Basically, I showed you that we had a support right here, very clear support, and resistance right here, also very clear support. Of course, we had a deviation to make all-time highs, and after that, we have seen a pretty massive dump. So we are right now in a very strong downtrend. We have already went for 50% to the downside, and I do really think this is a part of a very big plan, which case I wanna show you today what I'm thinking of this price action, what is going on in my opinion. So as you know, a lot of people were really bullish at the highs, and yeah, everyone was longing because it's all-time highs. Bitcoin is going to the $100,000. Yeah, people were saying these words, but what happened is exactly the opposite of 100K. And yeah, Bitcoin, instead of going another 50% to the upside, it went to the downside 50%. And this is really nice, honestly, because well, if you're in a short position, this is good for you. But if you longed the all-time highs and you're still underwater, of course, it is really painful for you. And yeah, that is what you should be working on to fix that problem, to not long at the resistance and to not short at the support. So very simply, what are my thoughts about this price action? We have, as I said, very clear support and resistance. Another thing is that we have a channel inside of this big channel. So let me hide this one big one and show you the smaller. This is a very clear also another channel in which we have, as you can see, we entered into our range, retested as a support, resistance, support, broken. Then we entered into our range, we found support, resistance, support, resistance, broke out, retested, went up. Really brilliant, just amazing channel in my opinion. What we are doing right now is we are entering into this range. As you can see, we had a support from it once, 2 times. We entered right now into this range. So this is a very important part of my plan. Once we have entered into this range, what I can do is pull my fixed range tool from where it started basically till the end. Maybe I can pull it from here. And yeah, you can see what we have is the middle of the channel, the point of control of this channel, and the low. If we zoom in into 4 hours chart, let's see. We had a bounce from the middle of the channel. Yeah, 3%, 3.5. It's really nice bounce for intraday, daily basically trade. That's very nice. And it looks like we are breaking the middle of the channel and we are entering to the lower part of the channel. So what could that indicate to us? That we are basically going to the point of control, at least, of this channel. Then we'll have to look at the reaction. If the reaction is weak, or we don't even have any reaction, that is where that is why we should look for the low of the channel. And honestly, low of the channel is a huge support for me, because that would be a max pain scenario for everyone. Everyone would lose their hope in Bitcoin because, yeah, basically you could say that we have lost all support levels, but obviously it's not like that. We always have support levels below us and resistance levels above us, and basically losing this range low, that would be very, very bearish for everyone, and everyone would start shorting Bitcoin. That is, I think that's basically a fact. So that could mean one thing, that retail traders shorting this move would fuel a lot of big smart money, because that would be the place to fill very, very big long positions. And I can show you the wick, which is interesting for me. As you can see, we have wicks right here. So swing filling these lows is not really enough for me. What I would love to see is the swing failure this low. As you can see, below this wick, we don't have any major, you could say, support. So that would be a very, very nice swing failure pattern of this low. Everyone would be very, very bearish. That would be a very nice place to fill very big longs. And then when everyone is bearish, lost their hope, that is the time and place to go reversal. So yeah, maybe I can chart you my plan. What could happen? So basically, maybe we are going to the downside, retest the middle of the channel, find support at the point of control, and eventually go down. Maybe make this move from the low of the range to basically everyone to long this move, and then take out these early longs, take out also this wick, hit an important daily level, which I want to show you in a minute, and then go to the upside. That would be my the most brilliant scenario in my opinion. So what is the important level right here? Very simply, as you can see, we have an daily order block. So price was going to the upside. We have found resistance here, but basically it was broken. And this is an order block. You can look at this wick high, this wick low. That is basically the zone of support, in my opinion. Yes, it is not a small zone of support, but basically we are looking for a swing trade right here, not a day trade, not a scalp. Well, of course, you can day trade, scalp trade, but basically this is a place, in my opinion, for swing trades, because this is a crucial moment in Bitcoin. I do really think taking this high and going to the upside when everyone is really, really bearish. So yeah, let me see if I have also high time frame levels. As you know, we have hit our monthly level. I showed it to you yesterday, and we are wicking through it. I don't know if we'll find any real support, so it is not looking very, very good to me. As I said, very important level is this daily level and this wick. That is the zone of support where I will look for reversal. So that is it for today. I hope you liked my technical analysis, and yeah, have a brilliant day everyone. See you later and bye.